Okay, good morning, students. Beta, students, can you hear me? Good morning, beta. Students, beta, can you hear me? Yes, Sri Vaishnavi, good morning. Beta, can you hear me? Vaishnavi, can you hear me? The respond by chat. Can you hear me? Good, good. Okay, right. Okay, just wait. Okay, beta, Ranvir, good morning. Okay, beta, others. Okay, right, beta. Yo, good morning. Yes, beta, we'll continue now. Okay, now we'll continue. Vectors. Okay, but yesterday we have seen what is the null vector. Null vector means initial terminal points are same. Null vector. Yes, beta. Can you hear me? Null vector. Initial and terminal points are same. Okay. Or this is called zero vector. Or this is a point because initial place is same and final no destination term. So it's a point vector. Zero vector, null vector, point vector. So magnitude of modulus. Modulus is nothing but magnitude. Magnitude is a scalar. Yes, but a scalar. Magnitude of a null vector is always zeros. But if I take the direction, so 0 is a scalar, beta. 0 is a scalar because a number, real number. But 0 bar is a vector. Be careful. I am writing 0 bar means I am indicating the value of the vector. And I am writing 0 means I am indicating the magnitude. This is only magnitude. Here only magnitude 0, but direction is there. Direction there. Are you better? Clear? Because it is only scalar, so no direction. No direction, and this magnitude is equal to 0. Are you clear, beta? So 0 bar and 0 are clear. So if we are discussing about 0 bar, it is meant as direction with a 0 vector. And if you are talking about 0, it's a scalar without direction, and the value is 0. So clear, I think. Students, are you clear, beta? Yes, that is very important. Next, I told you unit vector. Unit vector. Unit vector is a magnitude is equal to 1. Magnitude is modulus. Okay? Modulus of A bar is equal to means 1 means A bar is a unit vector. So whose modulus is 1, that is called the unit vector. Are you clear, beta? Now for 3 axes, 3 directions. Yes, beta, there are 3 unit vectors. 3 unit vectors. What they are called as? I told you already. I cap, J cap, and K cap. Unit vectors are with cap. So mod I cap is equal to 1, mod J cap is equal to 1, and mod K cap is equal to 1 because they are unit vectors. Yes, beta, clear? Understood, beta, all of you? Yes, yes, good, good, good. You got it. These are unit vectors. So if I write I bar, J bar, K bar, or I cap, J cap, K cap, It is meant as unit vectors. I, j, k are only for, notation is only for unit vectors. Yes, but clear? I am erasing this part. Yes? Because this is all we have discussed yesterday. Yes, beta? Can I erase? Now, see, I told you, vector is a quantity in which both magnitude and direction is there. Already you got in physics also, same concept. Like velocity and speed. Speed is a scalar, and vector is a, velocity is a vector. Right, beta? Now, component form of a vector. Standard or component form. Or standard form of a vector. Standard form of a vector. But if I take a bar, I told you, a1 I cap plus a2 j cap plus a3 k cap. Like that I take. Three results. This is called component vector. Suppose b bar I take as b1 I cap plus b2 j cap plus b3 k cap. So like components, okay? So every vector is into three components with respect to three axes. Already told you ox, oy, and oz. I told you already. Yesterday I showed you. This is will come forward. Actually this way. This way better. Are you clear? Two of all of them perpendicular. So each axis is perpendicular, sir. Ox is perpendicular to oy, oy is perpendicular to z. All the three are perpendicular. Now this is y and this is z and this is x. So this is I cap is unit vector towards this, and this is k cap, and this is j cap. Clear but understood? Yes? Right. Now this component form, standard form of a vector. Now if mod a bar is equal to 1, automatically it is called unit vector. Yes, but it is very important, right? Now yesterday we have seen component form I bar. Now we'll go for I cap into I cap. Dot product is equal to 1. This is called dot product. I'll tell you what is this dot product. And yesterday we have seen how to add two vectors. Tell me a bar plus b bar. Just add the components a1 plus b1 into I cap plus a2 plus b2 into j cap plus a3 plus b3 into k cap. Enough or not? A bar plus b bar. Can I take subtract also minus? I'll take minus here, here minus, here minus. Yes, but clear? I can add and subtract any two vectors. Suppose I got example like this. X bar is equal to 2i bar plus 3j bar. Means this is 0k bar. Understand or not, better? No k term is 0k bar. Similarly, y bar is equal to minus 4i bar plus 6k bar. Now I want to find x bar plus y bar. So I add the corresponding terms. Minus 2i bar plus 3j bar, not term, plus 0 plus 6, 6k bar. Are you clear, better? How to add? Understand now? Like algebraic terms only. X, y, z terms. So you can add and subtract or not. When I want to subtract x bar minus y bar, this is 2 minus of minus 4. 6i bar minus 3 plus 3j bar minus 6k bar, because j bar no that. So like terms you will add, like algebraic terms. How will you add algebraic terms already you know? Yes, but are you getting it? Students, are you clear till now? How to add and subtract? Suppose I got x bar. If I want to find 3x bar, what I will do? Multiply with 3 all the terms. So 6i bar plus 9j bar plus 0k bar multiply. Okay. Now I want minus 2y bar. Multiply with minus 2. This is 8i bar minus 12k bar. Bas. Are you clear? But understood how to multiply with this is called a scalar multiplication. Multiplying with the number, that is called scalar. Multiplying a vector with a scalar. Yes? Are you clear? But addition you got understood, vector standard components understood. Right? Now we'll discuss about the dot product and cross product. So already you understood three components. Component for a vector. What is a vector? What is the magnitude? Null vector you understood. Unit vector you understood. Yes? Are you clear? Yes, but clear all of you? Because very simple this topic is. That's why I gave you. We go with this part and you can complete this topic. And once before vacation, we'll try to complete the linear programming also. Then we'll go to 3D. Because 3D onwards, you can't manage by what called as online. You have to be offline. 3D onwards, difficulty will come. Then 3D, then probability, then calculus. Like that will go. Yes, but clear? All of you are okay for able to follow? Can I erase the board? Students, can I erase the board? Is the value of y cap. Yes, y cap not. This is y bar. No, this is vector is bar only. Unit vectors only cap. Unit vectors in the direction only caps. Their mod is 1. Already otherwise they are vectors only. Understood, beta? They are specific. Unit vectors are specialized vectors whose modulus is 1. Okay? Y cap. Beta, y cap won't be there. I told you na. I cap is unit vector having x-axis. Y cap won't be there. Y bar will be there. Y bar is in terms of x, I bar, j bar, k bar like that. Okay? Y cap won't be there. I cap, j cap, k cap. 3 unit vectors only will be there. Okay? So y bar is a vector with component form of this form. Right? Right. Okay. Now, but a vectors multiplication we'll see now. Multiplication of vectors we are seeing now. Already we are seeing addition and subtract. But for two vectors always you take, there is a dot product or product of vector. This is called scalar product because you will get a scalar. Here cross product, here you will get vector product. And there is one more thing is there, which we can call as third case, triple product, but scalar triple product. That is called scalar triple product. This is A bar dot B bar cross C bar. So first dot cross, then dot. Scalar 2. You'll get a scalar outside. That's a scalar triple product. This is third case. We'll discuss this later. First, we'll discuss these two. All the three are vectors multiplication only. Clear but understood? There are 3 types of vector multiplication. One is dot product, one is cross product. Dot product is dot. We'll write dot. Cross product is we'll write cross. And this is combination of dot and cross, both. This is called scalar triple product. Clear but understood? How to multiply? Already we have seen addition, subtraction, multiplication by number, all those. Right or not? Component form, unit vectors, all those. But as dot product is, I take two vectors, A bar dot B bar is equal to mod A bar mod B bar cos theta. Theta is the angle between the two vectors, A bar and B bar. But a bar means it is arrow only. Monitor it is a arrow. For write a line like this means shortcut only. Are you clear? Now A bar dot B bar mod A bar mod B bar cos theta. Okay. Now when we will use dot product to find the angle, to find theta between or angle between two vectors, we use dot product. Okay. When we use dot product, you will now second case to get a scalar, a number as output, we want only magnitude, then we'll use that dot product. Okay, beta? Now tell me cos theta, what is the formula? From this A bar dot B bar by mod A bar mod B bar. Is or not? Cos theta equal A bar dot B bar by mod A bar mod B bar. Understood, beta? So when we use dot product of two vectors is a scalar product. Means you will get a number only. If you multiply two vectors with respect to dot, that is the process. I will tell you how it comes. The formula is this remember. And when we use this part, we will find the angle between the two vectors like that you see here. So there are two vectors. This is A bar and this is B bar and this is theta. Now A bar dot B bar is equal to mod A bar mod B bar cos theta. Are you clear? This is the formula. Okay, beta. This is like you can take as something 14 point. So OA, OB, this is OB vector is B bar, OA vector is A bar. O you take. So OA vector is equal to A bar, OB vector is equal to, you can take as B bar. But what is the difference of these two? This is indicative by, I told you sides BC. BC is equal to small a. Both are same only na? This is by vertices, end points, this is by small letter. Both are same only. Similarly here also, OA vector is the position vector of A. This is called OA vector is equal to OA vector, position vector PV of A bar. OB vector means connecting the vector with respect to origin. O is the origin. That is called the position vector. Okay, OA vector is A bar, OA plus B bar. So we take as this is indicative of vector with respect to n points. This is indicative by magnitude, the value A bar. Understand? Like BC is for small a. This is like position vector. BC is length and A small a is the length or not. Both are same only. Na? Clear but understood? Have you understood the formula? Now we'll see the application this one. Can I raise the board better? Okay, see here. To get a scalar number as output, to find angle between them, to output is suppose I want the dot, I want the product of two vectors as a number. Then I use the dot product. Clear, brother? Yes, understood? To get the scalar number as output, after multiplying, if you get as a number, you want a number as product of two vectors, then use the dot product. You want a vector as the output, then use the cross product. Clear, brother? Understood? And Vijay? Sir, good morning. పర్లేదు సార్ నేను ఇప్పుడు మార్నింగ్ క్లాస్ ఉన్నాను క్లాస్ ఆ క్లాస్ ఉన్నాను హాఫ్ అన్ అవర్ చేసుకుంటాను నేను చేసిన హాఫ్ అన్ అవర్ clear but understood? Yes, okay. Now I will take here A bar is equal to 2I bar plus 3J bar plus 4K bar. B bar is equal to minus 3I bar plus 2J bar plus 5K bar. I want but A bar dot B bar. Okay, better? See it. Understand now? I am applying it now. Okay. A bar and B bar. Just I will multiply each term with each term. Just simple, very easy. So first multiply minus 6 into I cap dot I cap. Yes, better? Understood or not? Similarly, minus 4 into plus 4 into I cap dot J cap. Because dot product only, na? Understood? Number with number and dot with product. Plus 10 into I cap dot K cap. Are you clear, better? Yes, what I am doing first term with all the three I multiply. Minus 6 I bar plus 4 I bar J bar plus 10 I bar K bar. Again plus 3 into minus 3. What comes? Minus 9 into J bar cap I cap plus 6 into J cap dot J cap plus 15 into J cap dot K cap. Order also same only, but I see it. Similarly, minus 12 into K cap dot I cap plus 8 into K cap dot J cap plus 20 into K cap dot K cap. But are you clear what I did? I explained each term like A plus B plus C to D plus E plus F. First term into all the three terms. Right, beta? Now we'll see here. What is the dot product? Cos theta. Yes, beta? So here this side is I bar, this side is J bar. What is the angle between I bar and J bar? 90. I bar and K bar? 90. Cos 90 0 or not, beta? Yes. So I bar and I bar parallel vectors. Cos 0 is 1. So all that you get here, I bar cap J cap dot I cap dot K cap dot I cap, J cap K cap dot J cap. but all of them are become 0 because they are perpendicular. See, because cos 90 only na I bar dot j bar. What I can say? Tell me. I bar dot j bar I cap mod I cap as per formula mod j cap into cos theta between them. I and j. What is that? X and y axis. 90 only angle. Yes, brother. So cos 90. What is cos 90 value? 0. 0 into this is 1 into 1 into 0. What comes? 0. Yes, but clear? So that means I cap dot j cap. Similar interchange. J cap dot I cap. I cap dot k cap. K cap dot I cap. Both are same only. J bar dot k bar or k cap dot j bar. Bar or cap same only because unit vectors only cap. All of them are 0 only. Number will come because 1 into 1 into 0 1. But you see here. So what becomes? Tell me. This becomes 0. This becomes 0. This becomes 0. This becomes no. This will become 0. This becomes 0. This will become 0 because they are outmade. Now, what is left over? I cap dot I cap. This is important, brother. See, I'll tell you. I cap dot I cap. See, I and I are parallel vectors, same only. What is the angle between them? 0 only, na? Cos 0 how much? 1. So, mod I cap, mod j cap into cos 0, which is equal to 1 into 1 into 1, which is come 1. So, I cap dot I cap 1, j cap dot j cap 1, k cap dot k cap 1. Now, better you tell here this value minus 6 into 1. Now, take this value minus 6 into 1 plus 6 into 1. Yes, better? And plus 20. 20 into 1. Now, these two will cancel. 20 is the answer. So, A bar dot B bar, how much you got, better? 20. You got a number or not? It's a scalar product. Are you clear, better? Yes, got it. What is scalar product? Yes, good. 20 is the correct answer. Because I always remember, I dot I is 1, j dot j is 1, k dot k is 1. I dot j 0, I and j interchange. J dot I 0, I dot k 0, k dot I 0, right? J dot k 0, k dot j 0, all that will come 0. I and I 1, which means y dot I bar is mod I bar square. Mod I bar square is equal to 1. Okay? Because unit vector is 1 only. Modulus is 1. Modulus means its value. Got it, beta? How it comes? A dot product? Everybody understood, beta? Nanu Vijay? How to find dot product? I'll tell you simple. Now, no need to write j. Multiply these two. Minus 6 plus 20. Over. I to I to j to j, k to k only. No need to write I, j, I, k because there are zeros only. Clear, beta? So, directly now onwards, because you know that. First, I don't know, that's why I expanded all. Next, I did not do all those. Yes, beta, clear? Can I proceed? Can I ask the board? Good. Now see here. Now let us see. Suppose A bar is equal to 2I bar plus 3J bar plus 4K bar. I want mod A bar, modulus. Suppose x bar is equal to xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar. But a mod x bar is nothing but square root of x component square. What comes product? X square plus y square. This is a number. You'll get a number. Modulus of a vector is always what becomes? In a scalar or a number. number. Modulus of a vector is always a scalar or a number beta. Yes. So mod a bar, you tell me root of 2 square. Suppose here minus is there. Then no problem, na? Plus minus 3 whole square plus 4 whole square. But automatically it becomes plus only. 4 plus 9 plus 16. Root 29. Are you clear, beta? Modulus, you got a number or not? Modulus of a vector is always a number. Are you clear? What is the modulus? Good. Because square root of minus 1 come back. Because there are squares only. Modulus cannot be negative. Plus 29 only, always. Clear, beta? Now you take b bar, suppose. Minus 3i bar, minus 5j bar, minus 6k bar. So mod b bar I want. Root over minus 3 whole square plus minus 5 whole square plus minus 6 whole square, which is 9 plus 25 plus 36, root 70. Hello? Right. Hello? Hello? Yes, but Ganesh, what is the modulus understood, beta? Okay. Now you tell me P bar is equal to minus 2i bar, minus 3j bar, minus 4k bar. Tell me mod P bar. Root over minus 2 whole square plus minus 3 whole square plus minus 4 whole square. 4 plus 9 plus 16. Again root 20. See, all are minus, all are plus, no difference. The modulus is same. Because you will take the square root, positive square root. Clear, but understood what is the modulus? Yes, but I got it. Modulus understood, all of you? Dot product understood? Now see, beta, you got a bar. A bar is equal to mod a bar. What comes? Tell me. 2 square plus minus 3 whole square plus 4 whole square, which is equal to 29. Root 29. Yes, but a mod b bar you find root over minus 3 whole square plus minus 5 whole square plus minus 6 whole square, which is equal to root 70. Yes, but 9 plus 20, 34 plus 36. But I want the angle between them. Angle between A bar and B bar. This is your question. But I told you angle asked means what do you want to do? Dot product. Once angle means it is dot product or scalar product you have to use. We are not discussing about vector product now. Once angle between them or a number you want between two dot, yes, between two scalar vectors, you want a number as the output, then you will get a dot product. Okay. Now tell me. No. చెప్పలేదు అందుకనే అడిగింది నాన్ వెజ్ అయితే బట్ బేసిక్ ఒక మామూలు సరే వదిలే నా క్లాస్ ఉంది మాట్లాడి But you understand the angle between dot product and scalar. Okay, angle between the two vectors I want. Okay, what is the formula? Cos theta is equal to a bar dot b bar by mod a bar mod b bar. Is the formula understood? Clear, beta? Cos theta is equal to a bar because you want angle between them, na? Angle is dot product you have to use. Clear, beta? Yes. So dot product cos theta is equal to a bar dot b bar. What is a bar dot b bar? Find a bar dot b bar. Just multiply with the 2 into minus 3 minus 6 minus 3 into minus 5 plus 15. Understand? Only I bar j bar because that's the zero na. Yes, beta? 2 into minus 3 minus 6 plus 15 minus 24. So minus 15 will come. Understand? Minus 30 plus 15. Okay? Okay, right? Minus 15. Now cos theta is equal to minus 15 by mod a bar root 29 into root 70. Right? But theta is modulus you can take na 15 by root 29 into root 70. That is the answer. Theta is equal to beta angle between them is cos inverse 15 by cos of minus theta is minus cos 20 cos 100 will take out plus. This is the answer. So angle between two vectors is yes beta. Correct. But instead of minus you can take beta positive only because theta is angle. You will take first quadrant only. So you will get as cos inverse 15 by root 9. This is no need to simplify because it is for rest number, so you can leave it. But generally, if I get here 4 by 1 into 2 or 1 by 2, suppose I got a bar at b bar as 1 and whatever mod bar 2, cos inverse 1 by 2 is that not theta? Yes, which is equal to pi by 3, 6 degrees. Understood? Or not? So minus 1 by 2, you will get angle. Are you clear? Yes, but clear? So you will get a number which can be simplified with respect to the cos value. Understood? Better now dot product. Yes. When you are using, you want to get a number as product and you want angle between them, then it's called the dot product. Clear, beta? Yes. Yes, very clear. Now, see here, we have seen a bar and b bar by mod a bar, mod a bar. We'll see geometrical representation of a dot product. Geometrical representation of a dot product. Okay, beta. Now see here, if I take two vectors, O, A, this is OB. This is A bar, this is B bar. But now you are taking the projection. Projection is in 90 degrees. So projection of A bar on B bar. But this is A bar projection on this. That means this is falling on this. This is like shadow. A bar on B bar is equal to A bar dot B bar by mod B bar. Because on B bar, so mod of will come second one. Similarly, projection of B bar on A bar is equal to B bar dot A bar by mod A bar. Clear, beta? Suppose this is B bar, then this is A bar. B bar dot A bar by mod A bar. So falling one on will be denominator. And A bar dot B bar is equal to B bar dot A bar. You know, beta. A bar dot B bar is equal to B bar dot A bar. Vector dot product or scalar product. Both are same money, beta. Dot product or scalar product of vectors is commutative. Alright, I told you. A plus B is equal to B plus B. That is called the commutative. Vectors not correct. Vectors symbol will change. Okay, beta. A bar and B bar is equal to B bar. Suppose numerator is same, but denominator will change. Which is projection of A bar and B bar. A bar and B bar by mod B bar. Projection of B bar on A bar. B bar and A bar by mod A bar. Yes, but we'll see an example on this. Clear? Note down. Clear, but understood? This is called geometric representation of a dot product. Yes, beta, noted? Yes? Can I proceed? Have you noted, beta? Dot product is always commutative. Can I raise the board? Okay, let A bar is equal to beta. I take as 2I bar minus 3J bar plus 4K bar. B bar is equal to minus 3I bar plus 4J bar plus 5K bar. Okay, I want projection of A bar on B bar is equal to A bar dot B bar by mod B bar. Yes, beta. B bar on means second part you have to get. So you find it. A bar dot B bar what is come? Minus 6, minus 12, minus 18 plus 20. So minus 30 plus 20 is minus 10 by mod B bar. So mod B bar is equal to root over 3 square minus 3 whole square plus 4 whole square. 25, 16, 41 plus 9 for 50. Minus 10 by root 50 means 5 root 2. Which is equal to minus 2 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2. Understood, beta? Ever you understood now? Minus 6, minus 12, minus 18 plus 20. Minus 12, minus 6, minus 18 plus 20. This 2 1 will come now plus 2. Here 2. So what comes here? Root 2 by 5. That is answer. Because 9 plus 16, 21, 20, 50, 50 you take out. 5 in 25 into 2, 5 root 2. So root 2 by 5 will come. That is the projection of B bar on A bar. A bar on B bar. Now you take beta this part. Projection of B bar on A bar. Okay. So B bar dot A bar. Same one will come 2 bar. Because B and B minus 6 minus 12 plus 20. Notable. B bar dot A bar is equal to A bar dot B bar. By mod A bar this time. This time. Mod A bar means root over 2 square plus minus 3 whole square plus 4 square. So 2 by 4 plus 9 plus 16. Root 29. But this is projection of B bar on A bar. Unclear? So projection of A bar and B bar understood, root 2 by 5. Projection of both are C. Dot product only. That's why you got numbers. Dot products only. So projections are always numbers only. Clear but understood? Projections are always, yes. 2 by 5 root 2 beta, root 2 you can cancel now, root 2 by 5. So projections are always numbers only. So geometric calculation of a dot product. So dot product is always number only, remember beta. You will get a scalar. That's why dot product is called a scalar product. Clear beta? Yes, beta, clear? Can I proceed, beta? Yes, but understand the projection of A bar and B bar. So you can say dot product is nothing but scalar product. Yes, beta. And angle between the two vectors we'll find it dot product. Two vectors we'll find for dot product. And the product is a scalar, a number. Okay? Right, beta? Now there is a note for you, beta. Okay? If two vectors are perpendicular means the angle between them is 90 degrees. That is called vector perpendicular. Angle between them is 90 degrees. Then A bar dot B bar is equal to 0. Because what is the formula? But A bar dot B bar? Mod A bar mod B bar into cos theta. Yes? Cos angle between the perpendicular is 90 only now. So what becomes this cos 90 is 0. 0 and anything is? So if dot product is 0, they are called the perpendicular vectors. Yes, but clear? Yes. Next, if two vectors are parallel means what? Angle between them how much beta? 0. Angle between them is 0 degrees. Then beta A bar dot B bar mod A bar mod B bar into cos 0, which is equal to mod A bar into mod B bar. So their dot product is equal to their scalar product, modulus, product of modulus only. So dot product of the two vectors is equal to product of their modulus because cos 0 is 1 only. Clear but understood? Yes, but I got it. So if two vectors product is 0, dot product is, then they are called perpendicular vectors, and their product is equal to their modulus, then they are called the parallel vectors. Clear but understood? Okay. Now see here. This is about dot product, beta. Already you know modulus how to find, dot product is understood. We'll continue tomorrow. Yes? Cross product, all those. Okay. Can I raise the board, beta? Can I raise the board? Not, but I have not 10 minutes. Actually, I went, I am on phone. I am not visible to you. I am behind that computer screen only. Okay, okay. You want 10 minutes more? Good, good. Okay. Right, right. We'll see here. No problem. You are missing me. Yes. Got it. Good. Okay, beta. Now I do A bar is equal to 3I bar minus 4K bar. B bar is equal to 2I bar plus 3J bar. But I find A bar dot B bar. Or find angle between them. Theta how much? But I use here mod A bar, mod B bar, cos theta. Yes, I want to find dot product. Yes, beta? Yes, get? Okay, good. I am continuing, beta. Yes. So A bar is equal to mod A bar, cos. I am asking angle between them. I want to know theta means I will find cos theta, then I can find theta. Yes, beta? Now mod A bar. So find mod A bar root over 3 square plus minus 4 whole square, which is equal to root 25, which is equal to 5. Mod B bar root over 2 square plus 3 square, which is equal to root 13. Yes, beta? Now A bar not B bar. Okay. So A bar not B bar, I find is I into I, 3 into 2, I into J 0, K into J not there. Yes, beta, this is J K 0 only, 6 only will come. Here, but understood? A bar not B bar is equal to only these two. Because here K, here J, no need to multiply. Here I into J, K into I, K into J, all of 0. Only this part will come. Clear? So 6 is equal to mod A bar 5 into root 13 into cos theta. Yes, but cos theta is equal to 6 by 5 root 13. Then theta is equal to cos inverse 6 by 5 root 13. This is the answer. You can leave it. Clear but understood? Good, good. Correct. Yes, but I got it? Yes, but clear? Understood how to find the angle between the two vectors, dot product, scalar product? Yes? Projection also you understood now? So entirely dot products we understood now. Very clear? Can I raise the board? Yes, beta? Actually, I thought of winding because there is a class for other teacher. 10 o'clock, Swarup sir want to take class. Okay, that's why I closed it. Suppose A bar, beta, you take 2I bar minus 3J bar plus 4K bar. B bar 3I bar minus 2J bar plus 3K bar. See it. Now, beta, find A bar dot B bar. Multiply 6 plus 6. Here I take minus 12. But what you got? 0. Yes. Since A bar dot B bar is equal to 0, but what you can say? A bar and B bar are perpendicular vectors. Yes or not? See it. Here, beta, A bar and B bar are perpendicular because A bar or B bar is equal to 0. Yes, beta, got it? Students, got it, all of you? Understand now, if the product of two vectors, dot product of two vectors is 0, then they are called the perpendicular vectors. Understand now, beta? Clear? Yes. Now, beta, you see example. I take here A bar is equal to A1 I bar plus A2 J bar plus A3 K bar. B bar is equal to B1 I bar plus B2 J bar plus B3 K bar. But A bar or B bar I want to find. Just multiply only like terms. A1 B1 plus A2 B2 plus A3 B3. Understand? Without numbers, this expression A bar or B bar. So mod A bar root over A1 square plus A2 square plus A3 square mod B bar root over B1 square plus B2 square plus B3 square. Now A bar at B bar or cos theta is equal to, what is the formula, tell me? A bar at B bar by mod A bar mod B bar. So what I can say, A bar at B bar is equal to A1 B1 plus A2 B2 plus A3 B3 by root over A1 square plus A2 square plus A3 square into B1 square plus B2 square plus B3 square. Understand, madam? This is what you have to get. Here, instead of A and B, numbers are there, so we are bringing the formula number. Otherwise, without number, yes, this is not 90, madam. This is 90. This is general angle. Understand? Here is okay. This is okay. Now it is general. How to go? How to find the angle? Clear, but understood? Yes. Yes, but I got it. How to find the angle between two vectors? Students, clear? Okay, but can I wind up session now? Because other teachers want to take class now. Okay, I'll send homework. You can do better exercise 10.1 and 10.2. Do homework from NCERT. But 10.1 and 2 you complete. And then you do exemplar also. Exemplar part up to dot product. But that also you can do, because simultaneously you can complete it. That's better clear? Can I erase the board? Students? Can I erase the board? Okay. Okay, but I will continue. Thank you all.